If I wanted to do clear glass top and have something small, I will go this route as well and peel off my glass. We have here today a product we're reviewing, and it's for a table that you build, stands. And they come in a number of sizes, small, medium, large. Check online for further detail about them. I'm Fish, your how-to guy. Just match up the pieces like for like. Open up the package that you get. You get an Allen key, a bolt, and some screws. You have an instruction guide. Very simple to follow. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom hole first, and we're going to lock in the screw by threading it. Then we're going to take the Allen key and start to tighten down. We're readjusting it on a longer angle, so this way we can really straighten down on the screw, the bolt. Repeat for the top by turning around the opposite way. Place in the bolt and tighten down. Use the Allen key to get it down deeper and use the long side for leverage. Repeat for the other half. You have your parts 1 and 2 together. You have your lag screws that you're going to put your own tabletop on the stands. Let me bring this close to you so you can look what you're going to be doing. These right angles, the screws, they go in here as well as over here. And you're going to lock on your tabletop. You can make this any length you want and any width you want. And now you have a nice black polished stand. I placed my own tabletop on to the stands, and I have something that is very nice looking that will match my room. If I wanted to make something along my wall in the living room to put a TV stand or shelving units on like so and have a stand, this is another way. Table stands. They come in different sizes, different colors, different makes and models. I hope this is a product that you are looking for in making your countertop for your area's need, no matter how wide and the length you need in depth. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.